This demo shows how the Product Regulatory and Compliance Advisor AI agent simplifies calculating and understanding of compliance status for items and assemblies in Oracle Fusion Cloud PLM. Eric Legrand is a product designer who is reviewing the structure of a new model of his product. He opens item RA100-4600 and clicks the compliance filter. Eric can utilize the AI Agent Advisor directly in the business process to discover options for his new model. He asks the AI agent, "How much can I increase my cadmium concentration?" Eric quickly gets a clear and concise response with additional cited sources to explore. He reviews the sources and checks the additional details to narrow down the response based on a given source. He drills into the first source. Eric can later sync with the supplier to discuss improvement opportunities. The Product Regulatory and Compliance Advisor AI agent improves the timely process of reviewing complex compliance and regulatory documents. This enables Eric to easily determine the amount of cadmium needed to stay in compliance while increasing resistance for his new model.